Okay, so we're gonna start adding some dyes. Now, if you can't see what the colour of the dye is, I recommend that you test it on a piece of paper. Okay, so you don't mess up your fabric. So you can see here, I can test that. That's kind of a black colour. We've got that one, bright blue. We've got this one, crimson. We've got this one, which is a kind of browny purple. We have this one, which is, oh, lovely, bright. We've got this one, which is a yellow. Just in this pot anyway, there'll be different colours all over the place. A green and an orange. So we know what colours we've got. Okay, these ones have already been watered down. If you get a neat colour, you need to make it watered down to make it more vibrant. So I know what colours they are now. So now I go back to my my batik, and I'm going to experiment colouring it in. So I'm going to start off with a yellow at the top. Okay, obviously where the wax is, it acts as a barrier. So I'm going to add the yellow at the top, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to blend it into my orange. Have a look at your design, think about what you decided to do, try and blend the colours together. And then I'm going to use a bit of red at the bottom, so then it looks a little bit like fire. Okay, like that. There we go. It might leak a little bit. And then to make that stand out, I'm going to use a blue on this side of the wax. Just around the outside. Obviously where the wax is, it's going to stay white because that's the colour of the paper. Blue. Okay. Oh, if it leaks in, you might get a bit of purple there, because obviously purple and pink make pink and blue make purple. So then I've got my border, and then I think I quite like that dark colour around the outside. Try and colour in the whole of your sample. So this is the practice. You'll get to practice it once on paper, and then you'll get to do the same thing on fabric, so you can see the difference of what happens. And then you'll have an idea of how to use batik on your cushion, remember a graffiti or doodle cushion, getting that to stand out and playing around with this. Now remember, health and safety, we don't want to pour any of the wax on our hands. We don't want to get the janting tool touching us, and we don't want to touch the dyes because they will stain. Okay, a little recap there. So you can see there is my finished paper sample. We'll see that dry shortly. Thank you.